Number 9, sino? Di ba, dili lang ito, mama. Ano lang, kita pa-cute. Asan na yung table number 2? Table number 3. Asan, mami, ikaw na namulat sa ganda ni mama mo. Thank you. Number 10. Sir, stand up. Thank you. Thank you. Number 9 daw, may representative yung table number 9. Saan? Perfect. Why are you so sexy? Thank you. See, table number 6. Please stand up. Thank you. Sino yung dito? Doon pa rin touch magaling yung mega ako dito. Go. Kompleto na tayo. Wala kami madugang. Wala kami madugang din. Dito sa punta, wala na to. Wala din. Tayo, sir, gusto mo, sir? Dina, ma'am. Sino? Sino dito? Wala na isino na natin? Wala na? Okay. Mami, prepare mami one prize, mami. Ay, ready ng ampaw. Ready ng ampaw. Amo na siyang prize? My gosh, ready na. Let's count down 10, 9. Wala kayo madugang? Gusto niyo madugang ka mo isa? Ako sa table niyo, gusto mo may request ka ma-join ni Simon. Si Miss Amin. Rasheline? Ay! Go! Sino ang imo ba ito? Anak may floor naka-green. Sir, ikaw na support. Pwede sa iyong table. Go! Bongga si nanay. Ang banta. One line facing to our audience. Thank you so much. Ganon. Alright. Hip-hip! Ay, iba. Ang mga kabataan daw mahinay. Mas grabe yung voice. Hip-hip! Grabe yung ganon. Miss Universe. Alright. Our first game is what we call Siopaw, Siomai, and Suman. Follow me. Sundan niyo ko danay ha. Siopaw! May hapon, may gabi. Louder! Follow ko danay. Siopaw! Maama yung gabi. Alright. Siomai! Suman! Again! Again! Ubutangan ta action. Nakalaka ka mo, nakalaka. Thank you. Damatanda ka naka-color yellow. Grabe. Effort. Follow me like this. Very good, children. Very good. And then, Suman. Again. 1, 2, 3, go. Faster. Perfect. Siopaw, Siomai, Suman. Kung ano ang pagpasunod, amo lang na hindi pwedeng siopaw, siopaw, or siomay, siomay, or suman, suman. Siopaw, siomay, suman. Sa laang action, automatic out. Sa laang pagpasunod, automatic out. Pag within 3 seconds, kung hindi makasabat, automatic out. Ma-start kita diri. Try out. Hip hip! Nervyos ka mo. 1, 2, 3, go! Shut up. Ay, kanina. Louder! 1, 2, 3, go!
Shut up.
Ano po Practice and make it faster again within 2 seconds. Kung hindi makasabat, automatic eliminated. 1, 2, 3, go!
Siopa! Siomay.
Okay.
Siopaw!
Sumay.
Siopa. Siomay. Sumay.
Siomay! Gano'n na, pag nakalampasan yung isang automatic eliminated. Elimination round na tayo. Make it faster and louder. Hip, hip! Game na ba kayo? 1, 2, 3, go!
Siopa! Sumay.
Siomay! At trial pala yun. 1, 2, 3, go!
Siopa! Siomay.
Sumay. Sumay.
Super.
Siopa. Sumay.
Ay, thank you so much! Sit down. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Siopa. Siopa. Sumay. Siopa. Siopa.
Super.
Siopa. Sumay.
Anay pa buwan. Thank you, Nay. Sa headdress mo ni Nay. Thank you. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Siopa! Siomay.
Sumay.
Pupuko. Thank you, ready? Hip, hip! Faster and louder. 1, 2, 3, go!
Siopa. Siomay. Sumay.
Sumay. Sumay.
Ay, thank you so much. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Siopa. Siopa.
Thank you so much, Miss Ahmed. 1, 2, 3, go!
Siopa. Sumay. Sumay. Sumay.
Iba ka naman, mali! Mali ka naman. 1, 2, 3, go!
Siopa.
Thank you so much. Tatlo bilhin! Ay! Supporters ang number 1 palakpak! Ang dami! Number 2 palakpak! Gamay pamilya mo, totoo. Group number 3 palakpak! Ang dami! Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Istana?
Thank you so much! Nagpapano mo kayo isa pa, duwa na lang! Woo! 1, 2, 3! Ito ba? Make it louder and faster na. One, two, three, go! Nagtuloy lang siya na away naman. Pero sa connection. Go!
Siopa. Sumay. Sumay.
Ano ka? Ah! Thank you so much for mga leader! Mga na-price natin din. Congratulations, you will receive an imported staff from UK. Thank you so much. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, hold back because it's time now to witness the second look of our debutant for today. Alright, so there's more ladies and gentlemen, because we will be having also another games. And of course, it's going to be fair, so you have to choose your strongest pair later on because you will be getting also prizes for that. And there's also a surprise gift for everyone. So once again, when you post your pictures online, don't forget to use the hashtag Aquaria18 because right before or right after this tradition, you will be or we are going to announce the winner of our using hashtag Aquaria18.
Why? Logi na. Wala na ako sa hospital.
Alright, so I believe we still have prizes so while waiting to our Davidan or for our Davidan. Mami, can I have another two? Okay. So we are going to ask a question intended to our Davidan. Mami, if they got the right answer, you have to say thumbs up. If they got the wrong answer, thumbs down. Okay. Can someone tell me kung ano ang ipinaglihi sa ating debutant 18 years ago? Mami, can you still remember? Of course! Is it food? Or fruit? It's food, may sabaw. Wala. Maalat o matamis? Alright. It is a food, matamis. Can you guess? Sino? Matamis.
Sino?
Dessert.
Dessert.
Dessert. Ano? Mango. Mangga. Wrong. Dito. Ay, suma. Para November 1 lang tayo dito. Suma na wrong. Ice cream. Correct. Anong flavor? Vanilla ice cream. Congratulations. Next question. Can someone tell me kung ano ang pinakataas nga nakuha nga grade? Ano ang pinakataas nga nakuha nga grade sa aton debutant? Ay, wala ka ba si Mami? So, time's up. Next question. Can someone tell me kung ano yung latest food to eat of our debutant? Ano yung hindi na kinakain na pagkain? Bongga dito. Ang palaya! Long! Dito. Malunggay! Long! Ano? Isaw! Long! Avocado. Long!
Laswa.
Ha? Anong palaya? Tanan ginakaon niya. Tanan? Pati ito? Congratulations! Alright! Thank you so much! Alright, so next question. Can someone tell me kung sa diin nga hospital yung bata si Arya? Sa diin nga hospital. Makapadanay pa minsan danay na ha? Makapadanay prize. Sa diin nga hospital, ano oras? Ano nga room number?
Grabe.
Ang sino ang OB? Kompleto. Anong room number? Ay, mata 18 years ago. Ilo na siya sa hospital! Congratulations! Congratulations! Next question. Can someone tell me kung ano naman ang or sino ang celebrity crush sa ating debutant? Who is the celebrity crush of our debutant?
Sino?
Sino? Sino? Sino? Sino na yung makasabat? Si Mami? Rom? And okay, next question. Next question. Can someone tell me kung ano yung pinakahapos? Ano ang favorite color? Or ang pinaka-dominant na color na makita sa room ni debutant? Ano ang pinaka-dominant na color na makita sa room sa atong debutant? Blue, Mami! Blue! Wrong!
Blue-green.
Blue-green! Blue-green is correct! Congratulations! I'll give you a prize later, sir. Thank you. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, nakapost naman yung lahat? Nakapost naman yung lahat? I'll check ha. Once again, don't forget to use the hashtag Aquaria18 when you post your pictures online. Alright, so when you post your pictures or your photos online, don't forget to make it public so that I can be able to see it in my hand. Okay? So as of now, wala pa tayong may nag-post. Oh, I can see it. There's one. Sino dito? And nag-post. Let's count. So you will be, I'll give you like 2 minutes. And after that, I am going to announce the winner later on. Ready na po ba ang lahat? Alright, so once again, the hashtag to use is Aquaria18, spelled as Alpha, Queen, Umbrella, Alpha, Romeo, India, Alpha, and number 18. Once again, the most number of likes by using the Aquaria 18 will be getting the gift coming from our birthday celebrator. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, DJ, please be ready. May I request everyone once again to please all stand as we are going to welcome our debutant for her second transformation. Everyone, please all stand. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, let us all give a round of applause to our debutant. Isang masigaw na palakpakan ng Mujan to Maria Yasha Escleto Adoracion. Alam mo ba si ladies and gentlemen, Maria Yasha. You will please be seated, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. And let's proceed to our next tradition, is our 18th treasures. The tradition of giving 18th gift on the 18th birthday is a delightful Filipino custom that symbolizes abundance and well wishes for the celebrant's journey into adulthood. And to begin, ladies and gentlemen, let us all give a round of applause to Mama Darlene Omena.
Becoming an adult can seem daunting. Adulthood means more responsibilities. You have to decide the big decisions in your life. With all the change, with all the course of your life, there are decisions to make. So, my advice to you is don't pressure yourself too much. Enjoy the journey. Be kind to yourself. Take the time. Listen what God speaks to you in your heart and in your mind. Listen to what His purpose for you is. Not only by following His purpose for your life, but give you joy, passion, contentment, and happiness. So, your family, your family members are here to support and love you unconditionally. So, may this gift that I give you always remind you that whatever life throws at you, whatever challenges you face, you can overcome them all with a strong faith, with the love of God.
Pwede ko na matawagan sila yung nangyari.
Alright, so thank you so much, Ma'am Darlene.